Hi, good afternoon. My name is Trish and I'm Dr. McCawley's treatment coordinator. Okay, so a typical day at the office for me is really surrounded by being fast-paced but efficient, educating patients, and financial advising for the patients. My favorite part about working in the dental industry is really just allowing our patients to smile at the end of the day, knowing that they've completed treatment and they've gone home fully educated. Another part is really specifically about our specialty, which is periodontology, would be the simple fact that we can cure them of gum disease and reduce most risks that they may encounter due to the gum disease. So that's what I enjoy. Well, my top dental tip would be to floss. I know that's cliche, but it is to floss because it's super important. But the second dental tip, specifically coming from a periodontal practice, would be to scrape your tongue. 50% of the bacteria that's held in your mouth is on the back of your tongue, so scrape your tongue. A fun fact about myself is that I enjoy kickboxing and I enjoy reading occasionally. I know I'm doing more than one fun fact, but I've got a plethora. And the third one would actually be social media. I enjoy posting and interacting and engaging on Instagram. So that's my fun fact. Well, besides working alongside two of the most prestigious periodontists in the entire world, Drs. Mark and Tom McCawley, my favorite part about working at this specific practice is really working alongside my coworkers who I've been with for the last quite few years, and we're truly a family here, but most importantly is providing this service to our patients and really educating them and helping them understand the necessity for treatment. What a new patient can expect is genuine personalized care from all staff members, including the doctors. You can expect advanced technology, which includes our really cool microscope. We'll help you identify different bacteria and stuff like that. And just education. I think that's number one and super important. I think that's what our doctors strive for everyone in the community and their fellow colleagues to really understand. So I think that's what they can expect.